Hello friends, myself A.S. Mokat, Assistant Professor, GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. In this lecture, I would like to discuss variable scope. First, what is scope? Scope indicates the accessibility and visibility of variables. Scope indicates the accessibility and visibility of variables. That is, where you can access a variable. That is, where you can access a variable or where you cannot access a variable is determined by the scope. Means where you can access a variable or where you cannot access a variable is determined by the scope. PHP variables will be either in local scope or global scope. In PHP, variable can be declared anywhere in the script. The scope of a variable is the part of the script where the variable can be used. In PHP, there are three types of variable scope. First one is local variable scope, second one is global variable scope, and third is static variable. Let's see one by one in detail. First, local variable. What is local variable? Any variable declared inside a function is considered as in local scope or function scope. Any variable declared inside a function is considered as a local scope or a function scope. Means any variable declared inside a function is considered as a local scope. Means you cannot access the local scope variable outside the function. Local variable can be accessible only inside that function where it is declared. Local variable can be accessible only inside that function where it is declared. Note, local scope variable will be available only in the function execution. Here one example in PHP code. Here less than question mark PHP. This is the opening tag of PHP or beginning of PHP code, and this is the closing tag of PHP. Here I have to create one function my test, and opening closing bracket. In curly braces, opening curly braces, I have declared one local scope variable, that is $x, and put the value 5. $x is equal to 5 semicolon, and echo variable x inside function is $x, and last call the function myTest. Means any variable declared inside a function is considered as it is local variable. Means $x is a local variable, and local scope variable can be accessible only inside the function where it is declared, and local variable can be accessible only inside the function where it is declared. Now I am call the my test function and see output. Variable x inside function is 5. $x is equal to 5 means variable x inside function is 5. Now next, global variable. What is meant by global variable? Any variable declared outside a function is considered as in a global scope. Any variable declared outside a function is considered as a global scope. Global scope variable can be accessible anywhere in the script. Global variable can be accessible anywhere in the script. Note: global scope variable will be available throughout the script execution. Global scope variable will be available throughout the script execution. If you want to access a global scope variable inside a local scope, you must use global keyword. Let's see one example. In PHP code, I have declared two variables after the before the creating function. $x is equal to 5 and $y is equal to 10. This is the global scope variable. And next, I have created function myTest. I want to add two numbers. In function, I want to add two numbers, $x and $y. I have write a global keyword before write $x and $y, because in this function local scope. This is the local scope variable. So I have write global keyword and add two numbers, $y is equal to $x plus $y, and call the function myTest. Let's see output 50. $x is equal to 5 plus $y is equal to 10 means 10 plus 5 50. Now next, static keywords. Normally, when a function is completed or executed, all of its variables are deleted. However, sometimes we want a local variable not to be deleted. We need it for a further job. To do this, use the static keyword when you first declare the variable. Let's see example. In PHP code, I have created a function myTest and create a variable, declare variable, and write before creating or declaring variable, I have write static word. Static $x is equal to 0, echo $x and $x plus plus means increment. Increment this variable. So I have called myTest function echo br. Next, myTest echo br and myTest means this variable executed in 3 times, but it increment. So output 0, 1, 2. This is static word keywords. Thank you.